Hey, today I want to show you this plugin. If you hate making alt text for images, this really helps out, from Content Boom. So once you've installed the WordPress plugin, you'll have to go to OpenAI and get your API key and then enter it into the settings. Eventually they say they'll have the Straco API. Once you've put the API key in, you go to your alt text generator. And this is a new site for me, so I have no alt text right now. So for this first one, I believe I've put my name in the actual file. Let's see if it picks up on the name from the file description. So I'm going to say generate. And it looks like it didn't pick up my name. So I'm going to go for keywords and type in my name, then click generate. And just like that, we have alt text saying Eric Steeman, founder of Arrow Insight Media, smiling in a close-up portrait with a dark background. That seems pretty accurate. Let's see which of these images will OpenAI probably need some context for. Probably not the clouds. I will need context for this airplane with the C-130. This is for a little documentary I'm making on the 123rd Special Tactics Squadron. And I'll go ahead and enter those into the keywords for all of those images that those images are a part of. Let's see, these ones with the P-51, I want to give a little more context. Copy that and paste it in all the images with the P-51. Okay, so I've selected everything and I'm going to say generate for selected. I guess I should have done generate for all instead, but oh well. And it looks like this is going through it pretty darn fast, way faster than I could type it up. For the picture of the clouds, it says sunset clouds captured during early evening, showcasing hues of blue and orange blending seamlessly. That seems accurate, although it was an AI generated image. For the second one, P-51D Swamp Fox at the 2023 London Corbin Kentucky Air Expo, showcased under a cloudy sky on the tarmac. That's accurate. Let's see if that's saved. All right, then we'll go to our media page. We go under all files, and yep, we can see that the alt text did save over. So pretty cool. If you want to pick this up for yourself, you can go to the Content Boom website. I don't see a regular pricing for this on here, but you can go to the Get Lifetime deal, which brings you to AppSumo, and looks like it's $39. That'll let you put this on 5 WordPress sites. It looks like it also gives you image compression. I think I tried to compress my images beforehand, so I don't think I'm using that part of this. If you pay $90, you can get 25 sites, or you can go all the way up to tier 4 for $270, and you can put this on unlimited WordPress sites. And then beyond the alt text, you can create blogs with this tool. I think people said the blogs aren't great, so the creator of the plugin made the blogs as drafts, so that way you can clean them up. Again, you have to bring your own OpenAI key, or in the future, Straco is supposed to be integrated with this if you have a Straco account. And you can also create meta title descriptions for, I assume, your posts, but all I use this for is the alt text because I dislike entering those greatly, and this saves a ton of time. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this little look at Content Boom. If you like it, pick it up. I'll leave a link in the description. I don't have an affiliate link, so whatever you get's just going straight to the AppSumo site. So talk to you later.